If you want to transfer your domain from HostGator to GoDaddy, this video will walk you through the full process step by step so you can do it correctly and avoid common mistakes. We'll cover unlocking the domain, getting your authorization code, starting the transfer inside GoDaddy, and then confirming the transfer so everything completes smoothly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech walkthroughs just like this. Let's get into it. First, go ahead and open your browser and head over to HostGator. Sign in to the account that currently owns the domain you want to transfer. Once you're inside your HostGator dashboard, you'll need to find the domain section. This is where all of your registered domains are managed in one place. Now click into the domain you want to transfer. Before a domain can leave HostGator, it must be unlocked. Look for the domain lock setting and turn it off. This step is important because a locked domain cannot be transferred. If the transfer option is disabled or the domain seems stuck, domain lock is usually the first thing to check. After unlocking the domain, the next thing you need is the EPP code, also called the Authorization Code or Auth code. This code proves that you own the domain and gives GoDaddy permission to begin the transfer. In HostGator, look for the option that says Get Authorization Code. In some accounts, HostGator may email the code to the contact email address on file, so be sure to check your inbox and spam folder if you do not see it right away. Once you have the code, keep it handy because you'll need to paste it into GoDaddy in a moment. Now open a new tab and go to GoDaddy. Sign into the GoDaddy account where you want to receive the domain. If you do not already have a GoDaddy account, you'll need to create one first before continuing. Inside GoDaddy, look at the top menu and click on Domains. From there, choose the option for transferring a domain name. This is the section GoDaddy uses to bring in domains from other registrars like HostGator. When the transfer page opens, enter the domain name exactly as it appears in your HostGator account, then click Continue. GoDaddy will now ask for the authorization code. Paste in the EPP code you got from HostGator and proceed. This part is very important, so make sure you enter the code correctly with no extra spaces. If the code is wrong, the transfer will fail or get delayed. Next, GoDaddy will show you the transfer checkout process. In most cases, transferring a domain includes a 1-year renewal, so you are not just moving the domain, you're also extending the registration period. Review the total and complete the payment if required. After that, the transfer request will be officially submitted. At this point, the transfer usually will not finish instantly. You'll often receive an email at the domain's administrative email address asking you to approve the transfer. Open that email and confirm the request as soon as possible. Approving the transfer email helps speed things up and keeps the process moving forward. After you approve it, the transfer can take several days to complete. In many cases, it finishes in about 5 to 7 days, although sometimes it can happen faster depending on the registrar and the domain status. While you wait, keep an eye on both your HostGator and GoDaddy inboxes in case any additional confirmation is needed. And that's it. Once the transfer is complete, your domain will now be managed inside GoDaddy instead of HostGator. Remember, the key steps are unlocking the domain, getting the EPP code, starting in the transfer in GoDaddy, paying for the transfer, and approving the confirmation email. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.